The next piece we roll in here is unified messaging on Exchange, and this is a key thing to understand. Remember, when we talked earlier, asynchronous communication is Exchange. Voicemail is asynchronous. So your voicemail is actually a function of Exchange, not Lync. The same is true of your IVR. Your IVR is your auto attendant is all Exchange based. So we do require or need to be at least on Exchange 2010. Technically 2007 can work, but it's not supported as well, and it's really, there are a lot of functions that were added in 2010, so we really look for Exchange to be on 2010. This will work with Exchange in Office 365. So if you have an Office, if you've moved your mail to Office 365, but your Lync is on-premise for voice, that's actually perfectly acceptable. Okay, you don't have to stay in a hybrid deployment. You can do full cloud-based deployment of your mail, and then connect your Lync to it. From there, we can now turn off the PBX, go directly to the PSTN, and we're up and running, and the old PBX is gone. So you've seen through that step through migration, we went from IM and presence only all the way through enterprise voice. So Lync can fit the needs of your organization. Look, you've got $2 million invested in telephony PBX now, and you know the end of life for that, or the ROI for that, still 3 years away. Great, that doesn't stop you from doing Lync, right? We do Lync, we integrate it with what you have, and we run in a side-by-side mode for a period of time. Then when you're ready, the ROI has been achieved, or certain workloads. In a lot of cases, extending Lync to remote workers is much easier than extending your on-premise PBX today. So maybe it's that all the brick-and-mortar people are running through the existing telephony system, but those mobile employees will push out and run them through Lync as their primary system. And we can still set up things like 4-digit dialing and click-to-call and all of those wonderful things between the two, right? So Lync fits what you need. So when we talk about that completeness of vision, or we talk about that ability to execute, this is one of those key things. There is no customer who isn't ready for Lync on some level, even if you're not ready for PBX replacement. We can still put it in and get the most value out of it. And a good number of you likely already own some portion of Lync, as it's included with the enterprise agreements in the standard CALs and the enterprise CALs, or with your Office 365 subscription. Lync is included on some level, so you own it. So let's deploy it and make use of it. Let's not let it be shelfware. Let's get it into your environment and see what goes.